Mastering the past perfect continuous tense. Journey to fluency. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to tackle a very important topic in the English language grammar: the past perfect continuous tense. It can seem tricky, but don't worry. We're going to break it down and give you tips to master it in no time. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that started and continued up until another point in the past. We can use it to show the cause of something in the past. The structure is subject plus had been plus verb ing. Let's look at an example. She had been studying for hours before she finally took the test. In this sentence, the action of studying started and continued up until she took the test. Remember the structure and keep practicing. Remember, the past perfect continuous tense is all about an action that started and continued up until another point in the past. Look for cues like before, after, by the time, etc., which often indicate the use of this tense. 1. Frequent practice. The key to mastering any grammar concept, including the past perfect continuous tense, is practice. Try to use it in your writing and speaking as often as you can. 2. Contextual learning. Learning in context is always effective. When reading books or listening to conversations, pay attention to how and when the past perfect continuous tense is used. 3. Grammar exercises. Look for exercises online or in grammar books that focus specifically on this tense. It will help reinforce your understanding. 4. Create your own sentences. Nothing beats creating your own examples. Try to form sentences that relate to your own life. This makes the learning process more personal and memorable. 5. Learn from mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. They're a big part of the learning process. Don't get disheartened. Instead, understand your error and learn from it. And that's it for today. Hopefully, these tips will guide you on your journey to mastering the past perfect continuous tense. Remember, fluency is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, takes you closer. So, keep practicing and you'll get there.